What's up, what's up? I'm back at it. Fat Daddy with the Scatty. Back at it with another video. This time I'm gonna talk a little bit about the gas. A lot of people ask me about that with this car. I always say it's worth it, because to me it is. But it is a gas guzzler. I drive this to work. I used to have a daily driver. That joint was giving me too many problems, so I started taking this. And I sold the daily driver. It was a Mitsubishi Galant, like 01. And it was just like nagging little problems. So I'm driving this every day. But as you see, I got the cruise control on right now. My gas kinda low. So I'm gonna be getting some gas today. Real quick, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm averaging. Man, people be driving so fast in the slowest cars, man. Damn. Can they make a video? My bad. Alright, let's get back to it. Alright, right now, 13.9. I reset one of these when I didn't mean to. Alright, this is my last fill up. So I got 210 miles. And I'm averaging 14.2 since my last fill up. So, I mean, that's pretty decent. But I kind of do be expecting more. Because when I'm driving to work, I'm usually on cruise control like this, and it usually do good. So I think the highest I seen was like 16. I ain't came close to that 20 nothing, but I ain't really drove nowhere long distance yet. So this is about the best it's been for me. And I think this is like currently. But yeah, that's another reason I'm thinking about getting this product called the Taser. I heard with the eco mode on there, a lot of people been seeing 20 miles per gallon in the city. I think it does. I think it like makes it a 4-cylinder all the time, and it limits the 485 crank horsepower to, I think, about 300. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing that too. But I'm filling up. I'm about to go fill up. I'm gonna show y'all how much gas it's gonna take. It's probably gonna take about $55, $56 gas that went up here. It's like low $3, so like $3.30. But I'm gonna fill up. I'm gonna show y'all how much it is. Show y'all the receipt, and then show y'all the range. It says the new range. So yeah, alright. Be back in a minute. Alright, y'all. I slacked up. I ain't go to the gas station the same day, but I always go when this low range mile come on. All my other cars I used to go when it was on a quarter tank, but since I bought this drink brand new, I'ma just be going when it go to low range. That way I can fill up at the same time and get an actual, well, close to a full tank as possible. Right now, I'm at the gas station, I'm at the pump. I think right here it's $3.50. Gas gone up in DC, man. So I'ma pump the gas, show you what it ended up on, and then I'm gonna go back to the miles per gallon. Alright, you might got mine the noise. I don't know if it's gonna be loud or not. I be hating that DC we don't got the 91 either. with the fucking pump. So it should have took more than 52, which is 14 gallons. It usually take like 17. But the pump was moving real slow. I couldn't even use it as a, I couldn't even do it automatic because it kept stopping. So I had to hold it. And I didn't want to overfill it. So I just stopped it there. But you see, range 253, it probably would have been probably like 280, 270. I want to show y'all. Averaging 14. So there it is. You're gonna, depending on how much you drive, you're gonna be spending anywhere from 48 to 60, depending on how much the gas is. But if you like me and you start driving, you'll think it's worth it. Trust me. Next time I'll try to get one where the gas station actually works completely. I had to get a receipt from there because something wrong with my car. I know where to go. Until next time, people. Appreciate it.